Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on railroad crossing alerts in Waze. So Waze can provide alerts for railroad crossings when relevant information is available on your route. So these warnings can help you stay aware of upcoming crossings and prepare to slow down when necessary. So to check your railroad crossing alert settings, open Waze on your phone and tap the Waze menu, your profile icon that's located at the top left corner right here. And then you will need to select the settings at the middle of all of these options. So it's the third one. And now just go ahead and open the alerts and reports option. So it's inside the driving preferences section. So it's on the middle. It's for the option. And here you will need to look through the available alerts categories for railroad crossing or a similar option. So if the railroad crossing alerts option isn't or is available, make sure notifications or alerts for it are enabled. So you may also need to have navigation alerts and sound enabled too, so that Waze can provide an audible warning while driving. So actually guys, you will need to go with the alert distance right here and then just go with the miles that you want, or you can just go with all or on roads only. And then you will need to go with reports at the top here. And then just go with the road features, and then you will find the railroad crossings. So go with show on the map and alerts while driving. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.